Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off swipe for split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on advanced features, then tap on labs. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on swipe for split screen. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And once it is turned on, you can see here it said that to change to split screen view, swipe up with 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen in portrait view or from the side of the screen in landscape view. So you can swipe up with 2 fingers like this. And this will allow you to quickly open up in split screen view. And here I've got the Play Store open at the bottom window. And the top window is the settings screen. And to close it, you can tap on the 3 dots at the center. So let me try to see. Maybe we can close it by simply swiping up like this. So I'm just going to drag it up and then sliding up. That will allow you to close the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.